Good morning, all. Today, we are going to see about the association based classification. We are continuing the data warehousing mining subject. In this, the main algorithm based on the data warehousing is mining is all about the classification and clustering. So, this is the first session we are going to see about the classification. So, let's see the association based classification. So mainly association based classification in this we have to choose the frequent pattern in the association. That is, we have to choose the interesting relationship between the attribute conditions like values and the class labels. We are having the associative rules in which we have to show the strong association between the attribute value, that is the items, strong association items, and then we have to show the associative classification where the association rules are generated and analyzed to classify the data. So the idea is to search the strong associations between the FPs, that is the frequent patterns, that is attribute value pair, and the class labels. So as the attribute relationships explore the confident rules among the multiple attributes, this method be better than the decision tree induction, which is one of the another classification method we are going to see in the next session, that considers only one attribute at a time. So this is about the association rule. We'll be having the two-step process. One is all about the generate frequent patterns, and second is about the rule generation. For example, the attribute relationship, how we all be seeing this is, for example, age, which belongs to, they are, if they are youth, that is the between the age less than 30, then their credit limit is okay. Then automatically the condition of those who buys computer is yes. So this is about the 2093. The 20 is all about the support level, and 93 is the confidence percentage which was calculated for the example. So the ascendants and the antecedents contains the attributes and their values. The consequent of the class label attributes and its value are these simply the class name which we are going to say. So this is the formal way. We'll be having D as a data set of data types in the given tuple, that is the table, that is the D data set, and then AI, which means the attribute, that is the ith attribute, how we are be calculating, which means I which tends to 1 less than or equal to n. And then we'll be having the A class, that is the class attribute. This is the class label of their value, and we'll be having the tuple X, that is the table that denotes the n number of attributes in the class label, that is the X which is equal to x1, x2, x3, etc. up to xn. And we'll be having the class label of C, that is the constant value. And again we are going to see about the defining the item. So here defining the item will be having the probability of that AI, that is ith attribute, and the given value, where V is the value of those attribute, and that X satisfies the P, that is the probability value, if and only if that Xi, that is equal to the value. So this is the main process, and in which we will be calculating the confidence. So the confidence is for a given rule or the percentage of tuple in D that satisfies the given rule antecedent that also have the class label C is called the confidence of R. Say for example, here we will be having the confidence of 93%, which means the 93% of customer in the data set D are young and their credit rating is okay. So they belongs to the class of buys computer is yes. So this is the one of the example of the confidence. Let's see about the support. So here the support of a rule which belongs to R, that percentage tuple D, that is the data set, the table that satisfies the rule antecedent and have the class label C is called the support of R. Say for example, support equal to 20%, which means 20% of customer in the data set D are young and their credit rating is okay. So it belongs to the class buys computer equal to yes. So this is about the support and the confidence which we are using over here. So overall what we are going to see is we will be having the confident, that has to be calculated for the associative rule, and also will be having the support. So based on the support value only, we can able to calculate the confidence. So that is what shown in this example, that is age and youth. These are all the rule based classification, how we are comparing with the credit rate and the age. With the comparison of the age and the credit rate, then we can able to identify whether they can buy computer or not. So this is the rule framed. So with the help of the rule, we'll be having the support count as 2, and and we have to calculate the confidence, that is support count of A union B divided by the support count of A. Say for this with that example, it is calculated, and we got as 93%. So this is all about the upcoming process of the associative rule. Thank you.